Cryptocurrencies have grown rapidly in recent times, but did you know some are driven by AI technology? Known as AI crypto coins, these digital currencies combine the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies with the problem-solving capabilities of AI. The concept might seem a bit futuristic, yet it's more reality than science fiction. These advanced tokens serve as fuel for blockchain platforms that harness machine learning and other AI services to optimize processes and provide innovative solutions. An essential aspect of understanding what constitutes an AI crypto coin lies within its integration into blockchain technology. By using smart contracts, self-executing contracts with terms directly written into code, they ensure transactions happen smoothly without the need for a middleman. Skilling, a platform dedicated to teaching about cryptos, provides insights on how cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies. This means they're not governed by any central authority like banks or governments. They function independently across a network of computers worldwide, which maintains their ledger known as blockchain. Now add artificial intelligence or AI into this mix and you get yourself an efficient mechanism capable of self-learning and decision-making while being secure. So why does this matter? It's simple. When we bring together cryptocurrency decentralization with intelligent data analysis from AI, it leads to the creation of smarter systems able to learn patterns in big data sets, resulting in improved efficiency, a crucial requirement given our rapidly evolving technological landscape. The beauty here lies in convergence, the bringing together of two powerful technologies, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence, thus giving birth to what we now call AI cryptocurrencies. The integration of AI crypto coins with blockchain technology could revolutionize numerous industries in the years to come. AI crypto coins represent a fascinating blend of tech innovation and financial evolution, truly a prospect worth watching. With the booming convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, certain crypto coins have risen above the rest. These digital currencies harness machine learning capabilities to improve their functionality and deliver impressive returns for investors. Ocean Protocol, one of the top AI crypto coins in terms of market cap, has developed a decentralized data exchange that lets anyone buy or sell valuable data while guaranteeing control, auditability, transparency, and compliance for all actors involved. This platform's native cryptocurrency is called Ocean Tokens, which are used within its ecosystem as a means of purchasing these services. Ocean Protocol has gained popularity due to its ability to enable developers and companies to build applications on it using smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the agreement directly written into code lines. Furthermore, it facilitates secure sharing between entities, individuals, or organizations without compromising privacy or security. Moving forward, let's discuss Vectorspace AI. This unique project utilizes complex algorithms based on natural language processing and understanding along with proprietary datasets, resulting in smart baskets, clusters of cryptocurrencies whose price movements are connected by specific trending topics such as global events happening around us daily like trade wars, etc. Vectorspace VXV token can be bought through multiple crypto exchanges. The utilization of this coin allows users access advanced features within their system, thereby creating potential passive income opportunities for holders as they earn from transactions made using these advanced functionalities. They are stirring up a storm in the industry. This fusion of cutting-edge tech and economic promise is driving growth at an impressive pace, making AI crypto coins a hot topic for everyone from tech enthusiasts to financial mavens. Fetch.ai rounds out the pack. It leverages machine learning and AI to automate digital economies. All these innovative platforms offer a fresh take on blockchain tech, providing users with exciting new possibilities in the crypto landscape. The world of crypto can be daunting, especially when it comes to selecting which crypto coin is best suited for you. If you're looking into AI cryptocurrencies specifically, there are several factors to consider. To start with, take a good look at the project team behind your chosen AI crypto coin. Are they experienced in both blockchain technology and artificial intelligence? Have they worked on successful projects before? Do some digging around online or check their LinkedIn profiles. You also need to assess market potential. How much demand could there possibly be for this particular service or product? Crypto coins, particularly those centered around AI services, often integrate machine learning techniques within their blockchain data systems. They may offer smart contracts that automatically execute agreements without needing third-party involvement, an attractive proposition if you prefer automation over manual input. If passive income is what you're after, then evaluate whether staking options are available as part of your preferred cryptocurrencies package. Last but not least, make sure to understand how integral the platform's native token is within its ecosystem. Does holding this cryptocurrency grant special privileges like voting rights or discounted fees? Remember though, while these tips should help guide your decision-making process when buying cryptocurrency, remember, investing always carries risks, so do thorough research first. Investing in crypto coins, especially those powered by artificial intelligence, can seem like a daunting task. But don't worry. Here are some helpful suggestions to ensure you maximize your return on investment. The market cap or market capitalization of an AI crypto coin is an essential factor to consider. It's important not just because it indicates the current value of the coin, but also gives insight into its potential growth. A high market cap could mean that there's more room for price appreciation, making it a good option for long-term investment. You might want to look at coins like Ocean Protocol and Vectorspace AI, which have shown substantial growth recently due to their innovative use of blockchain data and machine learning technologies. Diversification is key when investing in cryptocurrencies, as this reduces risk while potentially increasing returns. You should include both big names with large market caps such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, along with smaller yet promising projects based on new techs like artificial liquid intelligence or smart contracts. One often overlooked aspect when buying cryptocurrency is where you'll store them. Not all wallets support every type of token, so do your homework before buying any coin. Ensure that whichever wallet you choose offers strong security features to protect against hacks or thefts. A popular choice among investors are hardware wallets, since they offer robust security measures compared to online counterparts. Last but not least, it's essential to understand the project behind the coin. Are they offering unique AI services or solutions? Do they have a strong team and a transparent roadmap? Comprehending these elements can assist you in making educated decisions. Peering into the crystal ball of the future, it's clear that artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology are poised to form a dynamic duo. With their ability to redefine business models, they're set to make significant waves in multiple sectors. When we think about the future of AI crypto coins, several trends stand out. Smart contracts, digital agreements that automatically execute when certain conditions are met, can offer many advantages for transactions on decentralized networks. As digital agreements that execute themselves when certain conditions are met, these tools offer numerous benefits for transactions within decentralized networks. Platforms like Ethereum have shown us what's possible with smart contracts on blockchain platforms. However, incorporating advanced AI algorithms could take them even further. For instance, autonomous agents could use machine learning techniques to adapt contract terms based on evolving circumstances or predictive analytics. Imagine a world where your cryptocurrency investments adjust automatically according to market shifts. In addition to enhancing smart contracts capabilities, integrating big data protocol and AI has vast potential for optimizing trading strategies by analyzing historical data patterns across various markets simultaneously. In fact, big data coupled with machine learning algorithms can identify investment opportunities faster than any human trader ever could, opening up new avenues for passive income generation through crypto assets. The rise in native cryptocurrencies associated with specific platforms is another exciting development on the horizon. These tokens help drive engagement within each platform's ecosystem while also offering an additional revenue stream for users. For instance, the Render token, RNDR, rewards GPU rendering power contributions with tokens that can be traded on various exchanges. Last but not least, there's a trend toward what some call liquid intelligence. This involves AI systems learning from every interaction and adapting in real time. Imagine an AI token whose value adjusts instantly based on market trends or news events. The possibilities are endless when you merge artificial liquid intelligence with blockchain data. But remember, while these future prospects look promising, they come hand in hand with potential risks and challenges. As we navigate this exciting landscape of technological innovation together, let's make sure to stay informed about the nuances of each new development as it unfolds. Diving into the world of AI crypto coins can be as exciting as exploring a sunken treasure chest. But before you take the plunge, it's important to weigh up any potential risks associated with AI crypto coins. One significant risk with AI cryptocurrencies is their volatility. Decentralized networks often cause the values of AI cryptocurrencies to fluctuate rapidly, making them a risky investment. A case in point? The Big Data Protocol coin, it experienced wild swings from its launch day till date, due to market sentiments and project updates. Investing without proper knowledge about such factors might make your journey feel more like riding a roller coaster than sailing smoothly on calm seas. Crypto coins rely heavily on cryptography for security, which could be compromised if quantum computing becomes mainstream. This potential threat hangs over every blockchain platform out there, and not just ones involved with artificial intelligence or machine learning. An often overlooked aspect when buying cryptocurrency is liquidity, how easy it will be for you to sell off your holdings when needed. Smaller projects may not have enough trading volume, making them hard to sell assets at times of need. When investing in AI crypto projects, it's crucial to remember that the potential for high returns often comes with equally high risks. It might seem like an opportunity to make passive income at first, but without due diligence and careful analysis of the market capitalization and project roadmap, one can easily find themselves caught up in risky investments. The blockchain platform has welcomed an innovative player, artificial intelligence. This powerful combination opens up numerous possibilities. Let's dive into some use cases. Crypto coins backed by AI have proven their worth in predicting market trends with a surprising degree of accuracy. Vectorspace AI, for example, uses natural language processing to analyze data patterns across crypto markets, providing valuable insights for investors. This real-time analysis helps make more informed decisions about buying or selling digital currency. And because it's all powered by machine learning algorithms, these predictions become increasingly accurate over time as they learn from past results. In the era of big data protocol where information is king, security becomes paramount. Blockchain technology already offers enhanced security through decentralization. Incorporating AI takes this further. Phala Network, another top-notch AI crypto coin, leverages confidential computing power that keeps users' data private while allowing computations on encrypted data. It effectively prevents any form of tampering or unauthorized access to sensitive information stored on its blockchain network, truly revolutionary. Smart contracts are a core feature of many blockchain platforms, but can be complex to implement without technical knowledge. An interesting application we see in AI-incorporated crypto projects like Fetch.ai is simplifying smart contract execution using autonomous agents. These agents understand your needs and autonomously carry out tasks such as setting up smart contracts, which eliminates barriers to entry for non-tech-savvy users wishing to benefit from decentralized economy features. You'll agree that the potential for AI in blockchain is vast, and we're only just beginning to tap into it. As more AI crypto projects surface, who knows what innovative use cases will be uncovered next. In conclusion, unearthing the power of top AI crypto coins, you've taken a leap into the future. A realm where technology is not just streamlining transactions, but also making them smarter. You've explored how Ocean Protocol and Vectorspace AI are leveraging artificial intelligence in unique ways, opening up new possibilities for investors like yourself. By now, you should be equipped with insights to help choose your own adventure in this emerging field. Remember, look beyond market capitalization. Consider factors like project quality and potential too. Navigating uncharted territories isn't easy, but remember, informed decisions lead to smart investments. Always stay aware of risks involved while investing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of the Cryptocraken videos.